and welcome. I'm Sylvia from My Kitchen Creations. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. On today's episode, we are making homemade clam chowder. This recipe, guys, is ultra creamy, rich, and packed with mouth-watering flavors. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. First, chop your celery. Chop your onion. In a large Dutch oven over medium heat, go ahead and add your bacon, and we're going to cook them until they are nice and crispy. After your bacon are nice and crispy, go ahead and place them on some paper towels. Now remove some of your bacon grease and leave about 2 to 3 tablespoons of that bacon grease. Add your butter. Add your celery and onion. Saute for 10 minutes. And as this is sauteing, go ahead and scrape the bottom of this pot. After 10 minutes, add your minced garlic and saute for another minute. After a minute, add your flour. Cook for another 2 minutes. We just need to cook the raw taste from the flour. After 2 minutes, add your chicken broth. After adding your chicken broth, add your half and half. Make sure that you're stirring as you are pouring in your liquid. After adding in your half and half, go in with your clam juice and the juice from the clam, but do not add in the clam yet. We just need the juice. We'll be adding the clam in here at the very end. After adding in your clam juice, it's time to season with some oregano, parsley, smoked paprika, thyme, black pepper, W sauce, hot sauce, bay leaves, and chicken bouillon. And just make sure that the chicken bouillon is well dissolved. Now allow this to come to a simmer before adding in the potatoes. As we wait for the soup to simmer, go ahead and start peeling your potatoes. And we are going to chop them into bite-sized pieces. After 20 minutes, this is how it's looking. So now go in with your potatoes. After adding in your potatoes, bring back to boil and reduce heat to low and simmer for 25 minutes until the potatoes are fork tender. This is how it's looking after 25 minutes. Now make sure that your potatoes are done. Add in your clams. Give it a good stir, and we're going to simmer this for another 5 minutes and give it a taste to make sure it doesn't need any additional seasoning. Tastes good, but it's lacking a little bit of black pepper and a little bit of salt. Make sure that nothing is sticking to the bottom. I give it another taste after adding the salt and pepper, and it is perfect. After 5 minutes of simmering, this is how it's looking. This looks great, and this should take us to the end of this recipe. Hello guys, so my clam chowder is ready and it looks delicious. So you're probably wondering what happened to the bacon. So what I did is crumble it on top, added some oyster crackers, and it is ready to be served. And I cannot wait to enjoy it. That is so good. Hands down the best clam chowder I've ever made. Thank you so much for cooking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.